2004 Chevy Silverado 1500. So I got factory converters there and there. Then 3-inch pipe, or actually 2.5, sorry guys. And then we did a 3-inch to 2 1/4 Flowmaster Super 44. If you guys want the link, it'll be in the description. Then we dualed it out the back. They're out of the mandrel bent pipes, so we have to put the regular pipes on it. Because of Corona. And then there's the 4-inch angle cut tips right there and right there. There's the whole setup. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2000 Chevy Silverado 1500. What we got done on it's got aftermarket converters before. Then it's wired into a single 3-inch. Then we put a Flowmaster FX 3-inch to 2.5 with 2.5 tailpipe. Not 2.5. I'm sorry, guys. 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back, mandrel bent into quad tips right there and right there. That's the Flowmaster FX right there. And a wide pipe after, so we can dual it out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's gonna sound phenomenal. There it is. 2006 Chevy Silverado SS Clone 5.3 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there, or secondary actually, aftermarket high flow count on this side and a factory on this side. Then it wires into a single. Then it's got 2.5 all the way, and then we put 2 1/4 tailpipes out each side right there out of a wide pipe with turn downs. You didn't want to see any of it, just nice and hidden right there and right there. Mandrel bent tailpipes, as you guys can see. Really beautiful. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Got the roll bumper on the back. Really clean. Flowmaster 40 series. 44, sorry. There's sound decibels again. It's about 99, almost 100. Sound decibel wise, not bad. You like it? Yeah. Yeah. Not too loud, not too quiet, just smooth.
Just right.
Those flow effects give it a really nice tone.
Yeah.
Nice thing about turned out, you don't see it. Nice and tucked, clean. What you got? You guys hear the decibels? About 100. Not too bad. Nice and tucked, nice and clean. You don't see anything. does give it a distinctive sound. All right, re-angle it. About 100 decibels. Really nice.